friends, today I'm going to tell you about the properties and benefits of cardamom or elachi. Indian cuisine is colorful, flavorful, and the spices not only add interesting twist to food but also come with various health benefits that have been well chronicled since ancient times. One such spice among many others is cardamom. Interestingly, cardamom derives from the seeds of various plants in the ginger family grown in regions of India, Indonesia, and Guatemala. The spice has a strong aroma and taste. Traditionally, cardamom was considered a herb and was one of the key ingredients in Ayurveda. Even ancient Egyptians and Romans used the spice to infuse in their essential oils, used its strong flavor as mints, and even for other medicinal purposes. Cardamom was believed to be a cure for mouth infections, throat problems, congestion of the chest, gastrointestinal disorders, and also used as an antidote for poison and venom. Today, cardamom ranks among the most expensive spices in the world. Renowned for its aroma and flavor, cardamom is used in numerous recipes, from spicy dishes to desserts and beverages. With the number of options steadily growing, more and more people consider supplementing cardamom into their diet for overall health. Nutritional value of cardamom. 100 grams of cardamom contains protein 11 grams, cholesterol 0 mg, carbs 68 grams, total fat 7 grams, calorific value 311 kilocalories. Cardamom has plenty of disease-preventing phytonutrients. It is also called a good source of calcium, potassium, magnesium, and essential electrolytes. Along with these, it is a gold mine of vital vitamins like vitamin C, niacin, and riboflavin, that is vitamin B2. Adding this whole spice to your food enriches it with tons of nutrients and minerals. Cardamom pods are a small spindle shaped with a triangular cross section. These pods contain a number of seeds which can be used as a whole, or the seeds can be ground to powder. The seeds are black and small, while the pods vary in color and size by their species. Now let's see the 8 health benefits of cardamom. This exotic spice is packed with tons of nutrients to nourish your body. Medicinal healers have been using cardamom as a popular medicinal plant for over 5,000 years. Cardamom comes in 3 different varieties, but green cardamom is by far the most popular for both culinary and medicinal use. As we have discussed in the above topic, it contains high levels of vitamin A and vitamin C and other micronutrients. These minerals and vitamins work together to give cardamom plenty of health benefits. So, antioxidant properties may reduce high blood pressure. Cardamom is known to regulate high blood pressure with daily intake due to its diuretic effect. Since it is rich in antioxidant, it helps detoxify the blood and expel water collected around important organs by promoting frequent urination. The consumption of cardamom, and it elaborates on its role to control blood pressure levels. The study also observed a decrease in systolic measure, the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. Diastolic measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. So in stage 1 hypertension patients, it corrects digestive ailments. Indians use cardamom in almost every dish because it aids in proper digestion. Cardamom is known to be as a digestive stimulant and carminative. The spice contains essential oil menthonine that helps in alleviating gastrointestinal problems like clearing stomach ulcers, acid reflux, and other problems. Its anti-inflammatory properties ease the burning sensation in the stomach and even eliminate nausea. Some people still use it to reduce motion sickness. Cardamom fights bad bacteria. Cardamom is an age-old remedy used as a natural breath freshener. It is rich in antioxidants and other bacteria fighting properties, and your oral health will be great if you consume it regularly. The spice contains cardamom oil called cinnalol, which is known for its antimicrobial properties. It kills the unhealthy bacteria present in the palate and tongue, thus promoting oral health. Cardamom, if you chew seeds, is known to effectively balance the pH level of the mouth, preventing the development of serious cavities and even gum diseases. It relaxes you. Cardamom has a relaxing effect on people due to its antioxidants. It also fights the build-up of cortisol in your body, thus reducing stress and promoting easy breathing. Sniffing cardamom essential oil or chewing a piece of it helps to beat stress, as it is refreshing. Though considered premature as compared to other evidence-based science, cardamom is also a popular ingredient in aromatherapy and has helped in increasing the airflow to the lungs, thus providing more oxygen to the body. It is considered to aid physiological responses during exercise. Cardamom can be used after post-surgery recovery. The hours after surgery are tough and filled with disorientation and dizziness with anesthesia, although it generally depends on the intensity of the anesthesia and body constitution. A blend of cardamom and essential oils combined with ginger, lemon and lavender helps you to clear your head, beat nausea and feel relaxed while you are awake. Soothes and reduces inflammation. Cardamom also helps in clearing sinuses for easy breathing. In cases if you have form of respiratory inflammation, cardamom may help clear any infection, whether it's bacteria or swelling with its antioxidants. It also protects cells from damage and prevents inflammation in the body that can lead to chronic diseases. Therefore, it can be considered as a soothing agent that is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds. It relieves respiratory ailments. The spice contains an element known as cinnalol that acts as an antimicrobial that keeps bacterial infections affecting the lungs at bay. Black cardamom helps in improving respiratory health. Asthma and wheezing can be reduced by using cardamom in addition to regular medicine. It helps to clear the nasal passage and chest of phlegm to promote easier breathing. It has flavonoids that improve your oxygen intake by helping your lungs to relax in order to breathe long and deep. Cardamom is good for the skin and hair. Clear skin. Cardamom can be considered as a savior for acne-prone skin. It breaks out and erases blemishes. It controls the flow of sebum and clears out all clogged pores. Its anti-inflammatory elements work to get rid of skin irritation and even out skin complexion. Softer lips. Chapped lips are no more concerned due to the antioxidants present in cardamom. Cardamom essential oils are added to lip balms for fragrance and also to make lips smooth. So there are two healthy ways to add cardamom in your diet. There are multiple healthy cardamom recipes that are not just delicious but come loaded with other nutrients ingredients. Let's find the different ways to use cardamom to spice your cooking. First, we can see banana cardamom smoothie. So what are the ingredients for this banana cardamom smoothie? 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, ground cardamom, 1 large frozen banana, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 pitted dates, 1 inch piece fresh ginger peeled, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1 pinch salt. Now let's see the method. For this recipe, you need to add a frozen banana, a dollop of Greek yogurt, dates, ginger, milk, cardamom powder and salt to blend. Next, puree on high until completely smooth. Pour into glasses and served chilled. Now next we can see another recipe called cardamom pulao rice. Ingredients for this recipe: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 small onion finely chopped, seeds from 7 cardamom pod bruised, 1 cup basmati brown rice, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon grated lemon zest, salt and fresh ground pepper to taste. Now the method for this rice. Start by putting a medium saucepan over low heat and pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, add a small finely chopped onion to the hot oil and saute for a minute. Add cardamom seeds and continue cooking for about 3 minutes or until the onion is translucent. Increase the heat to medium and then add in the uncooked rice. Cook and stir until it is warmed through. Then turn off the flame to a high and pour in the broth. Stir and bring to a boil. Shred in some freshly grated lemon zest. Season with salt and pepper and stir well. Now lower the heat, cover and cook the rice until it is tender. Thank you. Bye.